Good day, viewers, and you are welcome. Let's see how you can evaluate this question, which is 13 to the power 5 plus 13 to the power 4 plus 13 to the power 3 plus 13 to the power 2 plus 13 to the power 1 plus 13 to the power of 0. And let's see the equivalence value of this. So the first one is 13 raised to the power of 4 plus 1 plus 13 raised to the power 4 plus 13 raised to the power 2 plus 1 plus 13 raised to the power 2 plus 13 raised to the power 1 plus, and any number raised to the power 0 equals 1. Then from here, we can separate this as 13 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 13 plus 13 raised to the power 4 plus 13 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 13 plus 13 raised to the power 2 plus 13 raised to the power 1 plus 1. So after this, let's try to combine these together, and what is common to them is 13 to the power 4. By factoring it out, we have 13 to the power of 4 into bracket of, so here we have 13 plus 1. Also for this one, we have to take out 13 to the power of 2, and here we have 13 plus 1. And the last one is plus 13 raised to the power 1 plus 1. And next we have 13 to the power of 4 into bracket of 13 plus 1, that is 14, plus here is 13 to the power 2 into bracket of 13 plus 1, that gives us 14, plus, and here is 13 plus 1, that gives us 14. So next, 14 is common to all of them. By taking out 14, so here remains 13 to the power 4 plus, here is 13 to the power 2 plus, and why this is 1. And in the next step, we are going to write this as 14 into bracket of 13 to the power of 4. We can write this as 13 to the power 2 multiplied by 13 to the power of 2 plus 13 to the power 2 plus 1. And next, we have 14 to the bracket of 13 to the power of 2. When we take it out, and here we have 13 to the power of 2 plus 1, and here is plus 1. Then we have 14 into bracket of 13 to the power 2, that is 169, multiplied by 13 to the power 2 is 169 plus 1, that gives us 170 plus 1. And next we have 14 into bracket of, so here are big numbers. 169 multiplied by 170 is very big, but let's try to rewrite this as 100 plus 60 plus 9. Then this in bracket multiplied by 170 plus 1. Then we have 14 into bracket of 100 multiplied by 170. We have 3 zeros. We are going to write 3 zeros. Then 1 multiplied by 17, that is 17,000. Plus also here is 2 zeros. We write 2 zeros. Then 6 times 7, that is 42. Then carry 4, and 6 times 1, that is 6, plus 4. We have 10,200, plus also 9 multiplied by 170, that is 0. 9 times 7 is 63. We have 3 carry 6. Then 9 times 1, that is 9, plus 6. We have 15, then plus 1. Next we have 14. So when we add all this together, 17,000 plus 10,200, we have this as 0, 0. Here is 2, 7, and here is 2. Plus this, that is 1531. And By adding this together, we have 14 into bracket of the addition of this, we have 1 plus 0, that is, we have it as 1, 0 plus 3, that is 3, 2 plus 5, that is 7, and 7 plus 1, that is 8, and here is 2. Alright, next we are going to separate this as the addition of 10 plus 4. This is still 14, then multiply by 28731. When we multiply 10 by 28731, so we have 1 zeros, and the remaining we write it as, here is 1, 3, 7, 8, and 2, plus also when we multiply 4 by this, 4 times 1, that is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, we carry 1, 4 times 7, that is 28, plus 1, 9, so this one becomes 2, and 4 times 8 is 32, plus this, that is 34, we write 4, we change this one to 3, 4 times 2, that is 8, and 8 plus 3, we get 11. Then we have to add this together. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. 0 plus 4, that is 4. 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. We have 2 carry 1. And 7 plus 4, that is 11, plus 1, that is 2, carry 1. 8 plus 1, that is 9, plus 1, 10, 0 carry 1. And 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1, that is 4. And here is the result to this problem as it requires. That is 402,234 is the solution that to these expansions. So this is how to solve this, and I believe this is the method I can use. So if you have another way of solving this different from this, we can drop it in the comment box. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos. So I can see another way of doing this, which is a geometric progression method. Here is the first term, and we can get the common ratio here as we have the first term here, which is 13 raised to power 5, and we are going to get the common ratio from here. So the common ratio is going to be 1 divided by 13. Then we can plug this thing in the formula, and we get the same result as when we solve it this way. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Never stop learning. Bye bye.